started. Let's get some more people in here. We are live on YouTube now. Let's wait to see if we can get some more viewers in here as well. All right. All right, welcome school. Welcome, welcome. All right, let's get some more people in here and then we will get this going. Welcome to everybody that's joining. All right, so we're going to get right into this now. Welcome to everybody that's here. How are you guys doing? My name is Bullpen Trader. I go live every single day going over the strategy that I use, that I trade with, that I share, that I, help you guys all get started with. Welcome to everybody that's joining the stream today. If you guys are in this stream, let me know. Give me a hey, hello, so I can shout you guys out. We're going to be going over a proven trading strategy, okay? A proven trading strategy that, you can use to master the markets, right? So this is a completely game-changing approach to trading that, really simplifies your success, right? So what I'm here to show you is a system that can turn trading into a structured and repeatable process that you can, scale over time. So that's what we're going to be going over. If you're able to follow these letters to the T, you'll be on your way to mastering the art of trading. Of course, we're going to make it very, very simple for you all. We're going to go over the, the foundation. We're going to set the foundation for the system. We're going to be going over step-by-step trading rules, and we're going to go over the ultimate goal for our trading success. Now, we're going to be trading on GoDoAbbado. That's the trading platform that we're going to be using. If you guys want the links to anything that you see here, go to the description of this live and you'll be able to find all of that stuff right there for you. All right, we're going to find the trading signals. You're going to find the JSTStream bot. You're also going to find the trading platform itself. The reason why we're using this trading platform is because they have all these different markets. They've got all the markets on one platform. Welcome to everybody. If you're here in the live, make sure you guys give this stream a like. We're going to be going over an amazing trading strategy that you're able to use every day. You're able to repeat this process. You're able to scale this, a structured approach to trading that makes it really, really easy. Welcome to everybody. We've got 16 people in this live. I hope you guys are all doing well. Stay tuned for some live trades going over a free strategy. You're going to get access to free signals here if you guys stay tuned for this live. All the links are in the description, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. All right, so we're going to be understanding the foundation. We're going to set the foundation, all right? So this system has been rigorously tested over a long period of time using a $10,000 standard margin account, trading about one lot size, all right? So that's like the foundation that we have set with this platform. With this strategy. Sometimes platforms allow you to do larger trades, but we don't want you to use larger lot sizes because what happens is you increase your risk, and we don't want you to increase your risk. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be minimizing our risk to 1% maximum, all right? So 1% maximum is going to be our risk. Make sure you guys give this live a like. I would really appreciate that. So, for example, on a $10,000 account, what I would suggest is you use a one lot size maximum. With $10,000 and a one lot size, risking $100 in your trade, that means you're risking 1%. 1% is the maximum that you should risk in your trade. All right. So the same way, like for example, if you do the same amount of risk, like for example, let's say you're risking $100, but in a $2,000 account, what happens is your risk is now 5%, which is significantly higher than what it should be. You should be limiting it to a maximum of 1%, which is what I'm going to be showing you here. All right. So trading with less than the recommended margin amplifies your risk. You want to, if you're going to be starting with a smaller account, you got to proceed with caution. You got to make sure you limit yourself to that 1% risk. Now, once you understand account sizing, what I would recommend you guys do is go and get your account set up on GoDoAbbado.com. GoDoAbbado, the link is in the description. It's the trading platform that I recommend. The reason for it is because they have extremely low spreads. They have all the different markets. They don't charge any commissions or swaps on your trades. They don't have any additional fees. They only charge you spread. So it makes it a really good trading platform to use for all of your trading. They've got MT4, MT5. They are a regulated trading platform as well. If you guys are enjoying the stream so far, make sure you guys hit it with a like. I would really appreciate it. And send a comment if you guys are in this chat. If you guys are traders, if you aren't traders, let me know. I said if you are traders or are not traders, let me know just so I can get an idea of who is watching. All right, I go live every single day, so make sure you guys subscribe as well. I would really appreciate that. We're going to be going live every single day, going over the strategy, answering all your questions, helping you all get started. So let me know who is joining us here. All right, so what I would recommend is go to Abado.com, get your account set up, and also thank you, Daily Podcast, for the subscription. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. I really, really appreciate it. And I hope you benefit from this system as well. So what I recommend is you go to GoDoAbbado.com and get your demo account set up at least so you're able to test out the strategy, test out the system, and test out the platform itself as well. All right, now once you are registered on GoDoAbbado, you have everything set up. You've opened up your charts here. Next, what I need you to do is open up the signal stream. Now, if you go to the link in my description here, just below in the live, you're going to be able to find the link to the JST signals. All you got to do is add it to your Telegram, and now you have access to these signals that are running 24/7. Now, if I can zoom in here, let me know if the stream is blurry. If it's blurry, let me know. Make sure you guys are on HD. For your stream, but if it's blurry, let me know as well. But what you're going to get access to is these signals that are running 24/7 for all these different markets. So you can see that it's running on NASDAQ, USD JPY, AUD USD, Ethereum, NZD USD. So it's running on cryptos, Forex, stocks, commodities, indices. It's running on all the different markets here, all right? In one place, you're going to get access to all of these different markets. So that's available for completely free if you go to the link in my bio, in the description, I mean. You will get access to that right away. It's completely free to get access to it. Everything that I show on my live is completely free. You never have to pay a single dollar for anything that I'm showing you. All I want to do is grow this community. I want to help more of you guys get started. A lot of people have really, a lot of difficulty with getting started with trading, but it really is quite simple. A lot of people make it seem very difficult because what they want to do is they want to sell you a course, sell you a program, sell you a mentorship, sell you an ebook, sell you something. I'm not looking to sell you a single thing. All I would want you guys to do is get started and start testing this out for yourself. That's all I can ask of you. All right. So again, the trading platform that we're using is GoDoAbbado.com. It's a regulated trading platform, which means your money is safe, your trades are safe, you're going to be safe using this trading platform. So you're able to deposit using crypto, Forex, crypto, credit card, wire transfer, whatever works for you, you're able to use that to deposit your funds. What I used is crypto just because I find that to be easy, but that's what, you can use whatever you would like to use. Since it's regulated, you have a few options, and so that's a really good thing, right? So now, what we're going to be going over now is how to follow these signals, right? So you're seeing these signals. Now you're wondering, how do I use these free signals that are available linked in the description of this live? How do you use these signals on GoDoAbbado? What I can show you is if we zoom in over here, you can see how these signals look, right? So it's going to tell you NASDAQ 100 sell, so that's US 100, NASDAQ, whatever you want to call it. It's giving you a sell signal, it's giving you the entry price, and it's giving you the stop loss and take profit for that trade. So for example, once you get the signal, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the relevant market. So, the corresponding market. So let's say we get a signal for NASDAQ. We can look and find NASDAQ in our list of markets right here. What we're going to do is we're going to drag it to our screen. I'm looking on the 1-minute candles right now. What I'm going to do then is I'm going to enter a sell position at that price, right? So close to that price. If I can get close to that price or better, that's what I'm going to be aiming for my entry. So if I can see this right here, it's saying enter at 21527. So if I'm able to enter at 21527 or a higher number because I'm doing a sell position, that would be ideal. So what I'm going to do at that point is I'm going to enter a sell position, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to set my stop loss and take profit. So every single time I enter my stop loss and take profit, it is the same thing. Every single time I enter a trade, I'm setting my stop loss and take profit as well. If the audio is working fine, let me know, guys. If it's cutting out at all, let me know as well. If the audio is cutting out, let me know. All right, I think we are good to go. Make sure you guys give this live a like. I go live every single day going over the strategy, going over the system that I use to trade every single day. All right, so now we can see, for example, right here, if I zoom in right there, you can see that the price is below what the signal came for. So I'm just going to be waiting to see if I can get another signal. So these signals are running 24/7. You can see that we just got another sell signal. We can see that these signals are running 24/7, right? So as soon as we get the signal, let's say we miss a signal, we can still wait and take the next signal. We don't have to take every single signal. We can wait and take the next one. All right, give me 1 second. Let me just fix the screen. I don't know why it's... all right, that's a little bit better. All right, let me zoom out over here on MetaTrader. So when we get our signal, right? So we're trying to enter at that price or at a greater price. Now, if we don't hit that price, that's totally fine. We can wait for the next signal. There's always these signals running, so we would just be waiting for the next signal. All right, now once we enter that trade, once we set our stop loss, once we set our take profit, what do we do? Do we adjust that level at any point? No. Once our stop loss and take profit are set, we're just going to be waiting for that trade to close. So whether it hits our take profit or it hits our stop loss, either way, we're just going to be waiting. Once that trade closes, we're going to be looking to enter the next trade. I'm not going to look to enter multiple trades at one time. What we're going to be doing is we're just going to be entering one trade at a time for the beginning. All right. Now, let's say that trade closes and we hit our take profit, which it looks like this trade might actually hit take profit if it hasn't already. So if you were able to get into that signal, you would have entered around right about, let me put the arrow right around here. So you would have entered the trade right around here, and you would have been close to hitting your take profit already. Audio is crystal clear. All right, awesome. Let me know. Keep me updated on that, guys. Send some messages in the chat. Make sure, let me know if you guys are awake, if you guys are sleeping, what is going on. Let me know, all right? So, now that we understand how to trade, we understand the lot sizes, we understand setting our stop loss and take profit, what is next? How can we add to our depth of knowledge, all right? How can we add to our trading knowledge? what we can do at that point is add on to these signals, right? So we have these signals. We know they're working. They've been back tested. They've been forward tested. They've been live tested. We know that these signals are proven, right? Now, how can we add to this strategy? What we can do is we can look at different indicators such as the super trend indicator, for example, which is what you see right here. It is the green and red line, right? So this green and red line, pretty much what it tells us is overall trends, right? So what we can see is when the super trend is green, like we see right here, it's indicating an overall uptrend. When it goes red, it's telling us there's a downtrend happening, and that is how that works. So if we zoom out over here, you can see that the super trend has been green for quite some time, and with that, we have seen the pump of the market. Now, if I go back in time a little bit, you can see how it translates when there's a short trend, which is what we see right here. Going back a little further, we can see this uptrend right here. The same thing, we can follow it the whole way. That is how the super trend works. Right here, we can see that the super trend has gone from green to red, which is another confirmation of that trade now. So with the super trend, you can apply it to, either the 4-hour or the daily. If you want to look for smaller trades, you can look at the 5-minute candles as well. You can apply the super trend to those different markets. So let's say we go to the 4-hour candles right here. What we can do with this now is that we can match the trend to the direction of the signal, and that can be our additional confirmation for us to increase our lot size, right? So as long as you're maintaining your risk to an absolute minimum, minimizing your risk, give me 1 second. So as long as you're minimizing your risk, staying below that 1% level, what you're able to do is still bump up your lot size as long as you have additional confirmation. So let's say on NASDAQ right here, you can see that the super trend is red. It's indicating an overall downtrend. So at any point during this time, we could have sized up on any NASDAQ sell signals that we get because we have that additional confirmation. Welcome to everybody that's joining. Make sure you guys stay tuned. We're going to be doing live trades, going over the strategy, sharing free signals here every single day. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Give this live a like. Send a comment in the chat if you guys are here, and I'll be happy to answer all of your questions if you guys have any questions. All right. We trade live here every single day. We're trading on GoDoAbbado.com. That's the trading platform that we're using because they are regulated, because they are safe. I've been using them for quite some time now. They've got low spreads, no commissions, no swaps. They have a great platform. You can use MT4 or MT5. They got a ton of different markets that you can use for your trades. All right. So now we understand how to double up based on the confirmation from, for example, another indicator, right? So let's say our super trend is red, indicating an overall downtrend. We get a signal for a sell as well. That's 2 confirmations for a sell position. So we could increase our lot size on the way down. All right. So a matching trend that is in the same direction of the signal allows you to increase your position size further. All right. Now, another thing that we can do to elevate your analysis, elevate your trades, is to, have signal recovery, right? So that means that if a previous signal fails, let's say you enter a NASDAQ trade, you set your stop loss and take profit at 100 points, and what happens is that trade fails. What you're able to do is, statistically speaking, the next trade is more likely to hit profit. So the same way we're able to use this opportunity to scale our trades. So for example, let's say you're using 1 lot size on a $20,000 account. You're minimizing your risk to 0.5% in each trade. What you're able to do is you're able to add another 1 lot size, so you're still under that 1% risk, but now you've increased your lot size. You've doubled up on the next trade. Next signal, you're able to do a larger lot size because statistically, if one signal fails, the next signal is more likely to hit profit. So that's what I like to do, is I like to double up on the next trade. Again, all of this information is available completely free. I go over this strategy every single day. I trade live. I go over the different tools that I use for my trades. I share all this information with you guys for completely free. Again, if you want access to anything that you see here, go to the link in my bio and you will get access to everything for completely free, including the trading platform, which is what you see right here, GoDoAbbado. It's an amazing trading platform. Low spreads, no commissions, no swaps, no additional fees, no interest on your trades. They have a ton of different markets that you can trade on. Crypto, Forex, stocks, commodities. They've got MT4 and MT5. They're a regulated trading platform. So I would highly recommend you go and get set up with your trading account right away. And, get your account funded or start using a demo account and start practicing right away. All right. Now, the next thing that I can go over is, there's the system isn't about individual trades. Now, I'm going to be going over what the ultimate goal of this strategy is, right? So it's not about individual trades. It's about building a scalable trading business, right? So after, like, when you get serious into trading, you realize that it's not just, a side thing or anything like that. You want to treat your trading like a business. You want to grow this, scale this over a long period of time. And by mastering the rules, leveraging, different strategies, growing your account size, mastering the different indicators, mastering these signals, you're able to grow your account consistently over a long period of time. And at that point, you have unlocked a proven path to consistent profitability over a long period of time. Now, all you have to do at this point is follow the steps. You got to stay disciplined and watch as your trading becomes second nature to you, right? So this is going to become second nature to you once you do this long term. You're going to be able to set your stop loss, set your take profit very, very instantly. You're going to be looking and seeing the trades happen in front of your eyes. You're going to be able to understand exactly what you're looking for when you see these signals happen. You're going to understand how to use the range bars, how to use the different indicators. You're going to be able to master these different tools. It's going to become second nature to you, right? So once that happens, you're going to gain confidence and skills to make this strategy a foundation for your financial success. You're able to grow this over a long period of time. With, growing your account size over a long period of time. And then with that comes growing your lot sizes, growing the size of your trades themselves. But the foundation of it all remains the same. So the signals, the different indicators, the fundamental concepts of the strategy remain the same. The only thing that changes is your account size and your lot size, as long as you're maintaining that 1% risk. Now that you guys have understood all of that, the only thing left for you to do is go to GoDoAbbado.com, get your account set up right away, and, stop wasting any more time. Get your account set up right away and start practicing with a demo and then moving on to a live account. All right. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the link in my bio. You're going to go to GoDoAbbado.com. That's the trading platform that I recommend. I don't know why it's so bright, but GoDoAbbado is the trading platform that I recommend. All the links are linked in the description of this live. GoDoAbbado is an absolutely amazing trading platform. You can see that they have no overnight fees, no interest fees, no swaps. They give you an amazing platform with MT4 and MT5 that you can use. It's an absolutely great platform. They are regulated as well. They've got crypto, Forex, stocks, commodities, indices. Everything that you would need to trade is available on GoDoAbbado. You can deposit using crypto, Forex, credit card, wire transfer, bank transfer, whatever method works for you, you're able to deposit with that. All right. Now, the strategy is from JSTStream.com. This is where you can find access to the range bars running live 24/7. So they've got them running on Forex, crypto, commodities, and indices and equities as well. So stocks and stuff as well. And these range bars are a great tool as well for your trades. They are really, really beneficial. as well as when you log in, you're going to find the links to the trading signals and the Telegram bot as well. All right. On JSTStream.com, you can also find this videos tab right here. When you open that, you're going to find a ton of great training videos, how-to videos, trading knowledge, everything that you would need to get started with your trading journey, how-to videos, trading knowledge, advanced knowledge, trading psychology. Like, they've got every single thing that you would need, right? They're mastering the signals, mastering the range bars, mastering different indicators. They explain everything in very short and easy to understand videos, and it's all available completely free on JSTStream.com. Go and get your account set up. All the links are available in my bio. All right, in the description of the video, you can find all of the links as well. If you guys have any questions, let me know, and I'll be happy to answer your questions. I go live every single day at around this time, around 9 a.m. I go live every single day going over the strategy, helping everyone get started with their trading journey. All right. All right, let's see if we can get some more people to join here. All right, let's. If you guys have any questions, let me know, and I'll be happy to, answer those questions for you as well. All right, let's get this live shared. All right, let's get the Discord people in here as well. Again, if you guys are new here, we have a Discord community of over 8,000 traders linked in the description of this live as well. Make sure you guys join there as well. It's a great community for you guys to all get access to. Again, we're going to be going over the strategy from the top. Make sure you guys give this live a like. Thank you all so much for joining. Welcome to everybody new that's joining us. We're going to be going over the JST signal strategy that I use every single day for my trades. So make sure you guys stay tuned. We're going to be going over the strategy, answering all of your questions, helping you guys all get started with your trading journey. We're going to be going over it right from the top. All right. Everything that you guys would need to get set up, get started with your trading journey. So stay tuned. We're going to be going over all of that stuff very, very soon. All right. So going right from the top, where we're going to be trading is GoDoAbbado.com. That's the trading platform that we are going to be using. The reason why I recommend you use this trading platform is because they have no overnight fees, no swaps, no interest on your trades. They don't charge any commissions. They only have a tight spread that they charge on your trades. So it's an absolutely amazing trading platform for you guys to use. Yeah, it's really, really good. Thank you all so much for your questions as well. I really appreciate it. And the strategy, of course, comes from JSTStream.com. Now, this is the strategy. This is the website where you're going to get access to everything, right? So, JSTStream.com, you'll get access to, excuse me, You'll get access to the range bars, the trading system, the Telegram signals, the how-to videos, all of the amazing knowledge that's from JSTStream.com. So once you log in, it's completely free to make an account. You're going to get access to the range bars running on Forex, cryptocurrencies, commodities, and indices and equities as well. They're running live 24/7. You will also get access to the Telegram signals and the Telegram bot once you register. All right. When you click the videos tab, you're going to get all these amazing videos, everything from how to start to trading knowledge, advanced knowledge, and much, much more to use with GoDoAbbado. All right, so that's where we're going to be trading. Let's get into the strategy. Once you guys have registered your account, what you're going to do is, get your account set up, get your account funded, or set up with a demo account. Get the Telegram signals added to your Telegram. Once you're, subscribed to that channel, there's over 120 people that are getting access to these signals for completely free. All you got to do is click the link in the description. You can get access to them for completely free. All right. Give me 1 second here. Now, let's go over the strategy, all right? So, this strategy itself has been tested, rigorously using a $10,000 standard margin account, to trade one lot size. So, that's what they tested the signals on. That's what they tested the strategy on, was a $10,000 account. So, everything is based on that. So, although, some platforms might let you do much larger trades using leverage and all of that stuff, we're not going to be worried about that. We're not going to be using all of that stuff. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be limiting our risk to just 1% of your total capital. On, for example, a $10,000 account, you would be risking about $100 in each trade. So the way that you're going to do is you're going to use a one lot size trade with your stop loss and take profit at 100 points. I'm going to be going over that more in just a moment. So the key point to remember here is that although you can trade with less margin or a larger lot size, you're going to be amplifying your risk if you do that. And we do not want to do that. We want you to minimize your risk. I want you to minimize your risk to an absolute minimum so that you protect your trading balance, you protect your account, from blowing. Now, once you understand your account sizing and you've registered your account, you've got the signals on your Telegram, what you're going to do is you're going to start practicing with a demo account. I always recommend you start with a demo account just to get the lay of the land of how a platform works, how the trading system works, how the how you're setting your stop loss, take profit, all of that stuff you can practice with a demo account. But when it comes to your live trades, when it comes to actually testing a strategy, you would want to use a live account. Now, what you're going to be doing is step one, you're going to be following these signals. Now, how do you follow the signals? It's very, very simple. The way that they've set it up is quite easy to get set up, quite easy to get started. What it takes is all you got to do is follow these signals here. For example, if you get, right here, you get a NASDAQ sell signal. What you're going to do is you're going to open the NASDAQ chart on your screen. So, for example, let's say we're on a different chart. What we would do is we would drag and drop NASDAQ, for example, right here. NASDAQ, we would drag and drop it to our chart. We would analyze where we are in the market. We would try and match the entry price that is given by the signal or try to get a better price. So what we would be looking for, let's say the signal price that it's giving us right there is 21,573. What we would be looking for here is to get a price of 21,753 or 21,573 or greater, right? So since we're entering a sell position, we would want the price to be higher than that, right? So what we would be looking for is for the price to come back after we get the signal and then look to enter that sell right there. Unfortunately, we found it a little bit later, so we weren't able to get into that trade, but that trade was right about there, and that trade is, it's in profit right now, a few points. So almost at take profit. Take profit would be right around here for that trade if we took that sell. Now, these signals are running 24/7, so you're able to take these signals at any time. So if you miss a signal, there's no worries. You can wait for the next signal to come in, and then you can, go on that signal. Now, so what we're going to be doing is we're going to be looking at these signals. We're going to be matching the entry price or trying to get a better entry price. Then we're going to be entering that trade. Now, what comes next when you enter that trade? What comes next is that you enter your stop loss, you enter your take profit right away. So you don't waste any more time to protect your account, to protect your balance, to protect your trade. What you're going to do is you're going to set your stop loss and take profit right away as soon as you enter the trade. So for example, on these trades, every single time I would enter a trade, I would set my stop loss and take profit at 100 points above and 100 points below my entry. All right, so every single time the same thing happens. You set your entry, and you set your stop loss and take profit right away at 100 points either way. So if you're in a buy trade, your take profit is going to be higher, your stop loss is going to be lower. On a sell trade, your stop loss is going to be higher and your take profit is going to be lower. Because on a sell trade, you want the market to come down. As it comes down, you're going to be making profit. On a buy trade, you want the market to go up. As it comes up, you're going to be making profit. Now, these signals, you can see that they're running all the time. Now, what I recommend is, for example, if you are in a NASDAQ sell, let's say you entered the first one up here. Now you're in that trade. It hasn't hit take profit yet, but you're already still in that trade. What I would recommend is you wait for that trade to close before you enter another trade. The reason for that is you don't want to keep entering multiple trades and increase your risk past the 1% level. What you want to do is you want to minimize your risk. So what you're going to do is you're going to enter one trade, wait for that trade to close, then enter the next trade, wait for that trade to close, then enter the next trade. But since these trades were only looking for 100 points moves, these trades are going to be closing quite frequently. 100 points is not much in the market. It's almost considered scalping at that point, but it's really, really good to use with the strategy and with the indicators that I'm going to be going over very, very shortly. So once you set your stop loss and take profit, what comes next is that you wait for that trade to close again. You don't adjust your trade any further. You're not going to be setting your stop loss to break even or anything like that. You're going to be waiting for your trade to close. What we want to do is we want to give our trade range of motion so that it can move up and down before it hits our desired region. Whether that's above or below, we want to give the trade range of motion to hit either direction. All right, so we don't want to drag down our stop loss to break even, and what happens is that the market pulls back a little bit, and now we've been kicked out of a trade that was continuing to hit our take profit. But since we got a little bit greedy, we didn't want to take the risk. We wanted all the profit but no risk. What would happen is you get kicked out of that trade before it hits our take profit. So rather than doing that, we would just wait for that trade to close. Now you understand how to register your account. You understand to go to GoDoAbbado.com, get your account set up, start testing with a demo. We've understood how to use these signals. Now the next thing is that we can add to these signals with various other tools. All right, so with one of the tools that we can use to our advantage is the range bars themselves. Let me go to the range bars right here. So what we're looking at over here are these range bars that are running from JSTStream.com. They run 24/7 for the different markets. So Forex, cryptocurrencies, commodities, and indices and equities as well. So they're running on all of these different markets. What you can do with these is that you can really, really add to this strategy using these as well. Thank you so much for the like. Thank you all so much for joining. Make sure you guys stay tuned. Send a comment if you guys are in the chat so I know who's here so I can shout you guys out as well. Go live every single day, sharing the strategy, sharing the tool, sharing all the information that I have for my trading success. Somebody just unliked the live. You only have to like it once. Um, you only have to like it once. Don't worry. All right. So, what you can do with these range bars is they show you the direction of the market trend as well as entry points within the candlestick, right? So if a candlestick is 5 minutes, you're going to see the trend within that 5 minutes using the range bars because it's going to show you the inner trend as well. Very good. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining as well. I really appreciate it. So the range bars, they're going to be really helpful with, helping you see the trend within the market. All right, so within the candlestick, you're going to see the trend. You're going to see where the pullbacks are happening, where the market is going, where the trend is looking like it's going to go with these range bars. So they're a great tool to add to your arsenal. If you want information on how to maximize your benefit from these range bars, all you got to do is go to JSTStream.com. The links are all in the description of this live. How to sign up, everything is in the description to this live, so make sure you guys go and click on the link tree, get access to everything that you see here. Everything that I show you guys is completely free. All right, so to get access to the range bars, you just got to go to JSTStream.com, make an account, go to the videos tab as well, and you will find all of these amazing, amazing videos on how to get set up, how to get started with your trading journey. So make sure you go and start watching those videos as well. We're trading on GoDoAbbado.com. They have no overnight fees, no interest fees, no swaps. They have an amazing platform using MT4 and MT5. Low spreads, no additional fees on your trades, no commissions, nothing. They've got crypto, Forex, stocks, commodities, indices, everything that you would want to trade. You can deposit using crypto, credit card, bank transfer, whatever you need. All right, so that's where we're going to be trading on GoDoAbbado.com. All right, so one of the tools that I was just telling you, one of the tools that I was just telling you about was the range bars. Now, another tool that you can see on my screen is the super trend indicator, right? So there's a green line that goes red at some points as well. Let me just turn that off. So this line goes green at some point, goes red at some points. Let me zoom out so you guys can get a better view of it. Right here, you can see that the trend is going downwards, and you can see that the super trend is reflecting that as well. You can see that the super trend is red there as well. Then the trend reverses to a green trend. You can see the same thing happened with the super trend. It went green as well. So the super trend is an absolutely great tool to use as well. What you can do with these signals is you can go to, for example, the 4-hour or the daily time frame and see what the overall trend looks like, right? So for example, right here, we can see that the super trend is still red on NASDAQ right here. So what we're able to do is we're able to apply the super trend to our chart and now implement that into our strategy as well using these signals. And what we're going to do is we're going to match the signal with the direction of the super trend. So a matching trend for the 4-hour or the daily time frame in the same direction of the signal gives you further indication of the direction of the trade, and you're able to increase your position size further. So let's say you're doing 0.01 lot size. You have a really small account. You're doing 0.01 lot size. What you can do is you can increase your lot size to, let's say, 0.02. You've doubled your lot size, still maintaining a small risk in your trade, but you're able to increase your lot size for that trade based on the second confirmation for your for the signal, right? So the signal is telling us sell. We can see that the 4-hour candles, NASDAQ is also in a sell trend. So we would have additional confirmation to enter the sell position. Another thing that you can add on is signal recovery, right? So if a previous signal has failed, the next trade is statistically more likely to hit profit. So what you're able to do is you're able to size up on the next one if you lose a trade. Right, so let's say we took an earlier trade on NASDAQ, that one hit stop loss. What we're able to do on the next one is we're able to double the lot size and take that trade then. So going from 1 lot size to 2 lot size, going from 0.01 to 0.2 or 0.1 to 0.15, whatever you would want to do, as long as you're maintaining your risk, you can increase your lot size, right? So again, all of this information is available completely free. All you have to do is go to the description of this live. You can give me a follow. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be posting how-to videos. These live streams are posted daily on my YouTube as well, so make sure you guys tune in for that. Tune in for the daily lives as well. All right, so now, going over what the ultimate goal for any trader is, especially with this strategy, this system is not about individual trades. So it's not about maximizing a huge trade, like getting a 10x or anything like that, and then each trade being its own strategy. That's not what this system is all about. The system is about building a scalable trading business, right? So by mastering the trading rules, leveraging the different things that I was talking about, and growing your account size, you're going to unlock a proven path to consistent profitability. So just like how this chart looks right here is what we want our equity curve to look like. So overall, it's going to have some ups and downs, but overall what we want to do is we want to have a growing account. We're going to do that with minimal risk, with small risk in each trade, with a strategy that's able to be replicated over a long period of time. And that is what's going to happen with the strategy, with these signals, with the different indicators that I'm showing you. We want an equity curve that looks very much like what NASDAQ is showing us right here. We want growth over a long period of time here. That's what we want to see. All right, so that's what we want to see with our trading account. And the only way to do that consistently is by following these steps, staying disciplined, and watch as your trading becomes second nature, right? So looking at these signals, looking at the different indicators, all of these different things, setting your stop loss, setting your take profit, all of these things are going to become second nature for you, right? So they're going to become second nature in the sense that you're going to know exactly what to look for, exactly what to do when you get a signal. When you see different things show up on your chart, you're going to know exactly what to do. And with that, you're going to gain confidence over time, gain skills to make this strategy the foundation of your financial success, right? So what we're trying to do is we're trying to make your trading journey unstoppable. We want you to master the markets, and the way to master the markets is when you have an edge in the market, you want to replicate that strategy every single time. You want to do the same thing consistently over a long period of time. You don't want to test out different things. You don't want to change the system every single time you enter a trade. What you want to do is you want to replicate the system, do the same thing over a long period of time. Yeah, it's really easy. A lot of people make it really difficult to start trading. The reason for that is because they want to sell you a course, sell you, an ebook even. They want to sell you a membership to a Discord. They want to sell you something, right? So they make trading seem difficult to make the barrier of entry seem really high, whereas it's really not that difficult to get set up, get started. Make sure you guys give this live a like. I would really appreciate that. Thank you all so much for joining. So, it really is as easy as that. If you guys go to the link in the description, you guys will get access to everything that you see here for completely free, including GoDoAbbado, the trading platform that I'm showing you guys. They've got extremely low MT4 and MT5 for you to test out. They give you a demo account that you can practice with as well. And if you go to this the link tree as well, you will get the JST signals for completely free. They're linked in the link tree as well, completely free. The JSTStream bot as well, completely free. There's literally no reason to waste any more time. Go and get your account set up. I'm going to be here every single day trading live in front of you guys, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Make sure you guys subscribe as well, and I will see you guys all in the next live. Thank you all so much for joining, and I will see you all in the next one. Take care, everyone.